So they are here to fix the cabinet. First they're gonna remove the plumbing. So the drain and the water pipes, the two water pipes, it's gonna be a pain, but I don't know how they're gonna do it. Then the cabinet guy is gonna come fix the backing. So now that the plumber and the cabinetry guy has left, we are going to fix this side of the bathroom and let's get to it. So the backing has been fixed. Let me show you guys. So this is what it looks like. Looks better. So I'm gonna just put in the stuff the way it was. And then, I don't know, this week or sometime, I will go buy some more containers and organizers to organize all my products. So stay tuned for that video. So remember the Coach bag? It's right here. I put all my products in here. So this is all what we are working with, and it is all gonna go in here. Trust me, too many products. What can I say? You have to use all the space that you have, including vertically, horizontally, everything. You're gonna be like, why are you putting the mirror in here? Because I don't have space right now. I don't have, like, you know, in my old room, I had a dresser, a desk, and stuff like that. This room I did not buy anything so far, just because we are going to get our closets custom made. I can just display the mirror in the closet, so that's why for now it's gonna stay in here. Now time to organize these products. Okay, so we have this. So you guys saw, this is the vinegar. Okay, these are some bags that I keep here for the trash can. So it's just gonna go in there. Nail polish remover, another one. Hairspray, I don't really use it, but I'm still gonna keep it. But I'm gonna put it in the drawers. Alright. Appellator. What's this? Some light. Okay, you can go in here. Alright. So I guess we are done. Oh, this one is also gonna go here. Perfect. I have managed to put in the products according to how I want to see my things displayed. So at the back I put all the boxes, lint rollers, like those are extras. I have my nail polish remover, my sunscreen right here, alcohol, apple cider vinegar. It's really good if you have a very dry scalp. Gotta mix it with water and it will work really well. I have yet to try it though, so don't quote me, but I heard it works really well. So yeah, I have my oil, hair oil. I have some creams, conditioner, body washes. This vitamin E, I put it into my mixture of oils. So this is my oil that I'm currently using. My brush, and that's all. Mirror, an extra soap tray. So yeah, I have all this stuff here, but obviously some of these things don't belong in here, I understand, but for now they are gonna stay here. And what else? I do think this might be not a good idea to put this big thing right in front of the mirror, but I don't know. So yeah, that's what's up. And hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, like, and comment down below. Bye, Allah Hafiz. Stay tuned for more videos. Make sure to share with your family and friends. Bye, Allah Hafiz.